Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix nearby share not working on Windows 11 sending and receiving files. First method is change nearby sharing settings. Second method is to turn on Bluetooth. Third method is change Bluetooth properties. Fourth method is change Bluetooth services settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.